Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix the limit problem, also known as limit how often you can do certain things problem on Instagram. So what can we do when Instagram shows we limit how often you can do certain things? Before going into the solution, first let's know what can cause this kind of problem. Basically, this problem occurs when you constantly do the same things repetitively in the Instagram. For example, when you constantly message someone again and again and again, the problem occurs mostly. Also, same case with the following and the unfollowing. But whenever this issue happens, you just simply have to take the screenshot and then go to settings and privacy of your Instagram. Then after going into settings and privacy, scroll down to all the way bottom, click to this help button. From there you will get this option to report a problem and then click to this report problem without shaking. And into here click to this include and continue option, then just simply write down your problem, enter your screenshot into here, and after explaining and taking a screenshot of a problem, click to this send button. Then after that, Instagram will get your report about the limit problem and your problem will be solved very soon whenever they get your request and review that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.